Model UN crash course. Today, we're taking a look at General Assembly committees. General Assembly, or GAs, are large, 40 to 100 delegate committees that typically simulate actual bodies of the United Nations. For example, the World Health Organization, or Disarmament and Internal Security Committee. If you've participated in one before, odds are that your first committee, and maybe even the majority of your committees, have been General Assemblies. General Assemblies are GAs and are the bread and butter of Model UN, and are the most common introductory level committees. To manage discussion with so many delegates in the room, debate is run according to parliamentary procedure, or ParliPro. Formal debate is conducted with speeches by speakers from a speakers list, which participants may request to be added to. These speeches are typically 30 to 60 seconds in length and are used to bring new ideas to the table. Delegates may also break from formal debate through caucuses, opportunities for focused dialogue and debate surrounding a named topic. When the chair asks for points and motions, delegates can call for a caucus by raising their placards and suggesting one. Here, my colleague Rashab Broccoli Gelata demonstrating.
The delegation of Argentina motions for a 9-minute, 45-second speaker time, moderated caucus on the topic of why broccoli is the supreme vegetable.
Thanks, Rashab. Good luck with that argument. After proposing a moderated caucus, or a MOD, the committee votes on whether or not to proceed with it. If it's approved, then the delegate who proposed it receives the option to speak first or last. Moderated caucuses are great opportunities for delegates to control the direction and the pace of debate, focusing on issues critical to their position. As debate continues, support naturally forms behind certain positions or solutions. At this point, delegates begin writing their ideas and solutions into policy through resolutions, which offer substantive answers to the problems posed to the committee. Frequently, resolutions will have preambulatory clauses providing context for the situation at hand, as well as operative clauses that detail the purpose and operation of the resolution's proposed solutions and policies. To gain larger bases of support, delegates may frequently merge resolutions with others in the room, presenting a more comprehensive and fulsome resolution that addresses the topic from multiple avenues. These mergers are negotiated by the sponsors of the resolution, those delegates who are responsible for writing the primary content within them. Once the resolution is submitted to the dais, the sponsors have an opportunity to introduce and present it, following which there is a short question and answer period. This is an opportunity for delegates to demonstrate their research and leadership through their knowledge of the document, as well as the skill with which they answer other delegates' questions. The Q&A process also provides valuable constructive criticism to further develop the resolution before it is finally voted on and, with luck, passed. For a more detailed explanation of General Assembly procedures, as well as examples of sample committees, head over to the EmpireMUNC.org at the link below for full training guides and topics. We look forward to seeing you at EmpireMUNC this year, and may the odds be ever in your favor.